Hi, Bully. I'm just bedding Bully up. I chucked him straw in earlier, but because he's quiet, he can lay down. Good boy. You're not a bad boy, really, are you? Hey. He's just having a little rub on my leg. Good boy. He's getting better, aren't you? Hey, good boy. It's only because you're being quiet that I'm in here. Yeah, we don't normally come in with him because even though he is quiet, we don't want to provoke you, do we? So yeah, he's just having a little lie down. While he's lying down, just fluffing his bed about for him, aren't you? You good boy. It's a good bottom you've got. So yeah, Bully boy. Being with the girls soon. Won't be long. Oh, hey, girlfriend. So yeah, happy Bully, happy farmer. Now you it's called bulldozer, by the way. Yeah. So you're a bit close. Good boy. So yes, Bully bulldozer.